So New Zealand CAD, there it is. Right, so we were looking to buy New Zealand CAD, right, to go up. Okay, and then what happened was they did not give us the buy, they actually ran us down. I'm gonna play, you're gonna see they ran us down, stopped us out, and then rallied. So the gap that you see there is actually sitting in here. So I was waiting for price to come back down into the gap for me to be a buyer to take me all the way up, right? I was waiting for price to come back down into the gap on that daily. This is a H4 time frame. I was waiting for it to come to the daily and then look for the continuation, but it never did. And now it's coming back down there. Okay, so this is where price is currently at. So this would be a tradable bounce. Okay, what I mean by a tradable bounce is that was left there on purpose. They did not come back down to pick up more orders. They left that gap there, so it's tradable. So you can do something like this, in my opinion. Okay, it's similar to what the pound CAD is doing. Let's shift this there. Okay, that's what I mean by a tradable bounce, because we have left a void in here. That's all down candle or free money, so they can't hit this, form the low of the week and bounce it back up into that level. Okay, so you want to keep an eye on this. Again, don't blindly take it. Watch it on the lower time frame as it's coming. It's gonna create short-term highs. You can see lock. Okay, it's gonna create short-term highs. So as it's dropping, mark out the highs, and then if we hit that level, watch it break. It needs to break. Okay, it has to break a short-term high. 5 minutes, 15 minutes, whichever you are comfortable with. Once it breaks, it's gonna pull back. On that pullback, that's your entry, and then you'll be looking. I think taking first target here is not bad above that high. Okay, and then you look for potentially them closing in that imbalance. Okay, so that's another good opportunity to watch.